It's the United States of America that has now designated TRF, that is the Resistant Front, as a global terror outfit backing India's stand on Pakistan's proxy war. The United States has officially designated the Resistant Front, or TRF, as a global terrorist organization, calling it a proxy of Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba, which is a terrorist group. India has long accused the Resistant Front of carrying out multiple terror strikes in Jammu and Kashmir, including the brutal Pahalgam terror attack that took place in April 2025. Unarmed civilians were targeted. The Ministry of External Affairs has welcomed Washington's decision, calling it a validation of India's long-standing concerns about cross-border terrorism and proxy groups. Even as China continues to block key terrorism designates at the United Nations, as well as calls for a stronger regional anti-terror cooperation, the doublespeak that China speaks now stands exposed, even as there is global pressure that is mounting now on Pakistan.
It seems that US is too much dependent on Pakistan for serving its other interests in the region. So that's why US is not coming out openly against the terrorism which Pakistan is not only supporting, but terrorism which is originating from Pakistan and spreading to many other countries in Europe and other places also.
जो भारत अपने प्रयास कर रहा है कि ये टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी, क्रॉस बॉर्डर एक्टिविटी जो भी हो रहा है देश में, उसमें पाकिस्तान का हाथ है, तो ये कन्विंस होने में कुछ देशों को समय लगता है, लेकिन ओवरऑल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया स्पेशली वी आर एबल टू कन्विंस द वर्ल्ड दैट पाकिस्तान is trying to destabilize India through the cross-border terrorism. That if they have also given that treatment, I am happy about that.
इसने बहुत सारी आतंकवादी घटनाओं को अंजाम दिया, हमारे लोगों को मारा है और हमारे अर्धसैनिक बलों को, सैनिकों को, आम आदमी को, उनको बहुत इन्होंने मतलब उनकी हत्याएं की हैं। तो इस तरह से जो सैंक्शन लगाई है यूएस गवर्नमेंट ने, बिल्कुल वो सही लगाई हैं।
I think it's a high steps that the United States have recognized that this is a terrorist organization, and India's position has been vindicated for long, that these are terrorist organizations are taking advantage of the shelter that they have been provided, and they're attacking in Indian cities, especially in Jammu and Kashmir states. So I think it's a very welcome steps and should be more aggressive, the United States, in dealing with terrorism, because we do not see much of U.S. addressing terrorist organization in a very serious manner.